Hello, today I would like to talk to you about this corner bookshelf. I was actually looking for something in my office space, and then when I came across this one, I absolutely fell in love because no matter how you look from right or left side, this corner bookshelf fits perfectly and it also does not take so much space. I also love that the shelves are actually heavy duty, as you can see right here. It's 5 shelves and it's more nearer to the top and it's going more wider towards the bottom. And I would also say that assembly was actually super easy. My husband put it together in around like 20-30 minutes. I will also include some footage for you so you can see there was all of the pieces was included. There was all hardware, manual instruction, and company also even included screwdriver. I also love that the frame of this bookshelf is a heavy duty and it's also come in 2 separate pieces, which was very easy to put together, and they just kind of slide it in and then you just tighten them up in the back. And one of the things I also want to mention about this bookshelves that I also love that it's a perfect 90-degree rotation. So as you can see, it's very open, and also these shelves are perfect for holding all of my decor. And as you can see, I style this bookshelf in my own way. I also love that these shelves are very heavy duty, so you can put something light like maybe a couple decorative pieces right here, or you can also put heavy duty books like I put on the bottom. And yeah, overall, if you're looking for a perfect corner bookshelf, something very sturdy, very well made, something that's easy to put together, I highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.